My name is David Gayeski. I'm the Associate Director, Pro Dealer for Solenis Pool Solutions. Been in the industry for over 35 years, starting with the Chlorine-Free BAQUACIL brand in the early 1990s. Chlorine-Free BAQUACIL has been in the industry since the late 1980s, offering professional pool retailers an exclusive technology to deliver crystal clear water to thousands of people in their backyards. The unique PHTA chemistry enables the pool owner to take care of their pool and deliver crystal clear water without any chlorine. So the PHTA sanitizes the water, and then we oxidize the water with hydrogen peroxide, and then we prevent algae growth or blooms with one of our proprietary algicides. With Chlorine-Free BAQUACIL, the pool owner gets a few different attributes or benefits as compared to a standard chlorine-based system. Because there's no chlorine in the system at all, there's no bleaching, so your hair doesn't turn colors, bathing suits don't fade, and your vinyl liner pools will last for a lot longer than if they're on a traditional chlorine system. In addition, BAQUACIL is easier on the eyes, it's more pH neutral, so children can swim with their eyes open, underwater all day long, no need for goggles, etc. For the life of the BAQUACIL program, we have only delivered Chlorine-Free BAQUACIL to the pool pro professionals. We have not ever ventured down the mass channel because our pool pro partners deliver the extra service that the pool owners need to manage their pool and keep their pools clear using BAQUACIL. Through the years, that's given the pool professionals a significant market advantage compared to others that they compete against. So they don't have to worry about the product being on any mass shelves. We have a limited distribution philosophy, so usually in a given particular market, there's only one or two dealers promoting the brand, and it really gives them a unique, proprietary, differentiated solution for their pool customers.